Life is a turbulent river, and we are all drifting within its unpredictable current. This is one of the most famous Stoic stories, attributed to Epictetus, a story about the strength of the human spirit. The parable of the two pots. It was raining heavily, and two pots were floating down a storm-swollen stream. One was made of bronze, the other of clay. The clay pot spoke to the bronze one. "Keep your distance, friend. If we collide, I will break, even if you try not to harm me." The bronze pot replied, "Do not worry, I will not strike you. But if you drift too close to me, the fault will be yours, not mine." But what is the true meaning of this story? The bronze pot represents the external world. It is the illness we didn't ask for, the loss of property, and the harsh actions of other people. We cannot control when the bronze pot will collide with us, but like the clay pot, we can control how close we let it get. We control our emotional reaction. Remember these three pillars of Stoicism. First, the dichotomy of control. Focus only on your thoughts and actions. Let go of everything else. Second, amor fati. Love your fate. Find strength in the very obstacles that try to break you. And third, the inner citadel. No matter what happens outside, your inner world is a fortress that only you have the key to. The river of life will continue to flow. The storms will continue to rise. But you are no longer just a pot drifting in the dark. You are the architect of your own peace. Thank you for walking this path of wisdom with me today. If this story gave you even a moment of clarity, please subscribe and join our community. For more daily insights and a sanctuary for your mind, join our WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description. Stay calm, stay resilient, and as always, stay wise.